the Group S, which is a special group because it's in charge of all the logistics of the whole project, meaning we have to manage the 12 other concept restaurants that we have. But beside this, we also have to open our proper bar for 2 weeks.
So we came up with the concept of an airplane, a travel around the world through cocktails.
Because we are passionate about what we are doing and very happy.
Adaptation. Creating a pop-up restaurant during 2 days and doing 8 services, you have always to adapt to your guests, to the kitchen, and to all the small problems that you will have, of course, during those projects. And second, I would say communication. Communication with your guest, with your team, with your chef. It's always important to have that type of communication if you want everything to go well.
This is like a very important part. This is the part where you have to show people or potentially investors to know your concept. We have to work with a lot of people, and also the courses help as well to how to do like the financial calculation and how to do like the different marketing channels that we got.
I think getting out of my comfort zone because I have no experience in restoration. For 44 hours, I've been a bartender, I've been a waitress, I've been a cook, and I was also at the dishwashing. So I experienced it all.
Our MSc in International Hospitality Management is actually a dual program. It's a program shared by Institut Paul Bocuse, based here in Lyon, France, and EMLYON, which is the business school. That means also that our program allies the best in expertise in the French hospitality industry, in the international hospitality industry, with business realities. And so we get a mix that is really in touch with realities on the market today.